This is it.
Ooh, yeah.
Prodigal son.
Whoa.
Showing Gardner.
This is my public approach.
Alright, so I'm going to be taking Tempera, and this is from my ABH, as you can see, the Modern Renaissance palette, and that's going to be going on my brow bone. And I'm just using patting motions because sometimes when I sweep, it gets up into the pencil that I already used to do my brows. So I'm just patting it on. Then I'm going into the Kylie Burgundy palette, and I'm taking that orangey color there, and I'm putting it right under my brow bone, like right where the brow bone color ends. I'm fusing the two, so it's going in my crease as well as a little bit above my crease to marry the brow bone color with the same color, with this color that I'm using. And I'm going back in with the color. Of course, as you can see, I'm layering it more out on the ends because, you know, my eye type, I like when the colors are more blown out, like going outwards. So I'm applying more of the color going that direction. I really wanted this to look really warm, and as you know, for this look I was just playing in makeup, winged it, loved how it came out though. I love how it's like a dotted cut crease look. I just love how it came out. Then I'm going in with this red, and at this point I decided to do a halo look. So I'm going to be putting the red on the outside as well as the inside of my eyes. And no, I am not wearing any eyeshadow primer or anything on my eyes. I just have on my foundation. I didn't even set my foundation. Know how normally I set my foundation with like the foundation powder or something? I didn't even do that. I just have the foundation on my eyes. Just put it lightly after I done my face, my foundation on my face. I just take the brush and go over it lightly on my eyes. So then I'm going with this color from the Morphe 350M palette. And I know I used, I think, 3 or 4 different palettes in here, but the colors repeat themselves. And I used the orange to bring some more of the warmth to the look. You see how the orange and the red just fused together to create this beautiful, like, I don't know, just like this sexy eye red thingy color look, thingy my bob, thingy my jigger. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Primer in white, and I'm putting this on the ball of my lid, as you can see. Then I'll be taking my angle brush that I used to do my brows, and I'll be blending it out everywhere else. So the majority of the color, the whitest part, is going to be in the center. And I'll be applying an orange from the Morphe 350M palette, and M just means matte. Oh no, it's shimmer, sorry. So I'm taking the shimmer color and I'm applying it on right in the middle there where most of the white color was, the white Pro Primer was deposited. Then I'm taking this color from the Morphe 350S palette again, and 350 or 350M, 35S, 350M, yeah, S palette, and I'm taking that shimmery color and I'm putting it right where the orange ends and bringing it down to my almost to my happy area. By happy area I mean closer to my nose but still on my eyes. Then I'm going back in with the Kylie Burgundy palette, and I'm taking that reddish burgundy color and I'm taking it right on the outside. So now that I have that white as the base, these lid colors are really popping. I didn't really have to put the base there, but I wanted it to because I didn't have any primer on my eyes, and today was a long day, so I just filmed. I just used the primer so the colors would be a bit more pigmented and not crease. So I'm applying the color on the outside, as you can see. So I have 3 colors on my lid, and you see how I'm just taking my time to fuse the orange and the red. Perfect. So I'm just overlapping the orange and the red in order for them to blend seamlessly. So now I'm taking my black eyeliner pencil, and this is from Black Opal. It's their mechanic pencil and it's in black. The name is just black. And I think I attempted this. I don't remember if I had recorded it, but it's a look that came to me. I was like, what if I can do like a cut crease look, but not going all the way across the lid. And I don't remember if I've ever recorded it or anything, but I know it has always been in my head. And today I attempted it, I believe, for the very first time, and I love how it came out. So I'm just blending out the black eyeliner, and I'm blending it out with a pencil brush. This is from our very first brush set, our Dipped in Elegance brush set. But if I have a brush that's small enough, I can use it. And the reason why I'm using a small brush, obviously, is because I'm blending out a smaller area. If I wanted to blend it out or have the color blown out, I'd have gone in with a bigger brush, but my eyes are really small anyway. So then I'm taking the Kylie Bronze palette, and I'm taking the black from that palette. Now this is not the blackest black, and to be honest, I didn't want the blackest black because it would have covered up what I already have, you know what I mean? So I'm just taking it, applying it in that area just to set that black and to help the black eyeliner blend more, because while I was working it just now, it wasn't blending as easily, so I just chose to just go with a black eyeliner, with a black eyeshadow, sorry. So then I'm taking my MAC 217. Oh my god, you need this brush in your life. And I'm just blending it out. Now, there's a little bit of red eyeshadow on it. I don't mind, I don't care. I'm just using it to blend out the edges. Notice I'm staying on the edges of the black eyeshadow. Then I'm going back with using the Morphe 350 S palette, and I'm taking that orange that I used before, and I'm just placing it right in the center, and I'm bringing it up. You see how I brought it up? Instead of leaving it on my lid, I brought it up into my crease. And this, bringing it up into my crease, this really made the difference of this look. I believe it just kicked the look up a whole few notches. Boo. I'm like, who the hell? Who the hell? Who does hell? Who does hell? Who does hell? So now I'm taking my LA Pro Primer again, and am I taking, yes, and I'll be cleaning up. You guys can hear it in the background? That's Jonathan's TV program. Oh my god. So I'm using the Pro Primer in white to do, I would say clean up. I'm just using it so that I can draw a line so that it looks a little bit crisp. Yeah, I guess I can call it clean up. So I'm using the Pro White to clean up, you know, I mean just lightly anyway. But I wanted there to be a clear definition or a line of demarcation where the black was and the orange is. So yeah, I guess I can call it clean up. This is the look, you guys. Basically all that's left is, oh no, sorry, my bad. Then I'm going back with my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking that red color and I'm putting it right above the black. But you see how it got down too far in the black here, so I'm just going to blend that out. But the aim initially was to put it above the black so that you have a gradient color. You see, and what I did to one side, I just did it to the other side and done, because I mean you can see a little bit of the black underneath, like at the base, which is fine. And I'm going to be putting it on the outside as well as the inside, because this is a halo look, and a bit more dramatic. I have another dramatic halo look in mind, but I don't know if I'm ever going to be doing that, because that look is dramatic. But I'll just do it because I want to see if I can do it. And of course I'll record it, and if I make any mistakes, everything will be recorded and you guys can probably learn how to do it. Then I'm going with my Morphe 35S palette again, and I'm taking the same color I used on my lid and I'm putting it on my lash line. Now every single color that's on my lid, I'll be mirroring it. I'll be replicating it on my lash line. So whatever color I put on my lid, I'll be putting it on my lash line as well. So I'm taking that orange and I'm putting it on my lash line as well. For my glow, this is Face by Shanna, and this is their Amber Glow, and I'm only wearing glow today. I'm not wearing any blush. And for my lips is Rihanna's collection she did with MAC, Who's That Chick, and it's a frosty orange, and I do not like this color, but for this look, boo-boo, it works. And I'm like, okay, I see you, boo-boo. Alright guys, this is the look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. It is what, 180 something thousand subscribers so far. Thank you so much for the support over the years, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.
I apologize. Sometimes, Lord, I fall in front